Hi there, we're doing another unit on thermochemistry, another question on thermochemistry. So the question is, a block of copper of unknown mass has an initial temperature of 65.4 degrees Celsius. The copper is immersed in a beaker containing 95.7 grams of water at 20.7 degrees Celsius. When the two substances reach thermal equilibrium, the final temperature is 25.2 degrees Celsius. What is the mass of the copper block? Okay, so I do a diagram down here. So you have your copper block, which is the system, and the water, which is the surroundings. So all of the energy from, not all of it, sorry, some of the heat from the copper is going to go into the water. So the water is surrounding the copper. Okay, so we're going to write down everything that we know, all of our given quantities. So our initial temperature of copper is 65.4 degrees Celsius, and our initial temperature of water is 20.7 degrees Celsius. Now, when we're looking for our final temperature, the word equilibrium suggests, well, it means that when two things are at equilibrium, in this case, they will share the same temperature. So the final temperature for water and copper is 25.2 degrees Celsius. Now, when we're looking for the specific heat capacity of water and copper, it's a standard number, so you could look it up online or in your textbook. You're going to look up the specific heat capacity of water and the specific heat capacity of copper. And the numbers that I get for water, the number is 4.184. And the specific heat capacity of copper is 0.385. The mass of water is given to us at 95.7 grams, and we're looking for the mass of copper. So the formulas we're going to be using are Q surrounding is equal to a negative Q system. So whatever the system gives off, that's a negative number, and the surrounding will be positive, depending on the situation. And then we're going to use our formula here to plug in all of our known values. And this is just the formula to find the change in temperature. So let's start with water since we're given more information about it. So we're going to solve in the brackets first, so the change in temperature, which is 4.5, and then 95.7 times 4.184 gives you 400.4088. So that's our surroundings. Now we're going to put it into our system, this formula. And now we're going to solve for copper. So our delta T for copper is going to be the final minus initial, 25.2 minus 65.4. So now we're going to multiply these numbers together. And then isolate the mass. So we get 116.420 dot dot dot. So we're going to scroll back up to our question. You'll notice that each significant figure is 3. So scroll back down. That means our final answer is going to be 116, and the units are grams. So that's how much your copper weighs. I hope you guys learned some stuff, and that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye.